All right, y'all, there we go. Look at that. So we got the solid back on it now. Right, a couple little parts that I got to critique in it. I just had to straighten the blade back out on the jigsaw. But I was kind of crooked and I need a little bit more room for my arm, so I had to cut this out. But now I got to take it up to here, and what I did was I put my 1, 2, 3 block on top of this, and I laid my roll on top of that to where it was straight across. Because I don't want that to be crooked, I want it to be straight.
He's attacked Putin, they don't like it. I mean, yeah. I get it.
You know what I mean?
I'm just saying.
And one of the things I'm going to hang on this side this time.
And the main lesson is we are being lied to. Like, in a way that's bewildering and very upsetting. I was mad about it all the 8 days I was there. Because I feel like I'm better at this up there. This is my job to do. And I'm skeptical
like
of everything. And yet I was completely annoyed by it.
So when I come in, I can add my coat. You never know. I might put a piece that goes across here like this. Hang right here. Hey. Oh, look, I'm not on camera. See, that's what I mean. Anyway, over here, I got this, and I want to go this way with it a little bit, right? So I can actually put this there.
No, that doesn't occur to anyone.
But I don't think so.
And I know it's time consuming.
I don't know exactly how I'm going to go with this yet, but we'll see.
But we'll see. So much.
This, I'm definitely hanging though. I think I'm going to put this right here.
I know you've had this experience. Well, you think you know what something is, or you think you know who someone is.
Like that.
And then you have direct experience of that place or person, and you realize
not crooked like that there.
They were controlled by somebody else.
That way when we come in, we just hang our coats right here, bro.
Yeah. You said I couldn't believe that.
That's what I want. I want a place I can hang my coat at. That's why I grabbed that bad boy right there.
For me, it's always been that way.
So
most people I meet,
yeah, that'll be one of the things.
A lot of people.
Getting that cut out, this arm will go all the way up then. Right now it stops there.
A direct experience unmediated by liars. There's no
we'll let that sit like right about there. Actually, like
Ukraine tonight. Visited Ukraine and
there.
Witnessed a lot of the same things you witnessed in Moscow. So first of all, beautiful architecture. Yes. And this is a country.
That way now we can continue on and get this build done. I got it up underneath the light right here, and I'm gonna finish putting screws in it and put some here.
Tanks on the streets that are going into your major cities.
Right there. And that'll hold that bad boy up there in place. It won't go nowhere. That's for sure.
To the start of the war, everything's working. The restaurants are amazing.
Like I say, now what I want to do is I want to figure out how I can get it to come over here. So I may have to build a frame off of the joist to come out,
like you mentioned,
come this way,
it's incredible.
And then cock over this way
to zero
and come straight
back.
back.
All guns to everybody. The Texas strategy.
I could just put ribs in it and it'll hold it.
There's something to these people. There's something to this country.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. Get back to y'all in a minute when I work out. want y'all to see this right. Look at that finish so far, baby. Yeah. What'd you say? You want to see one more spin? Okay, let's see one more spin then. There you go, take that. Get up on it. Watch the DRO. It'll go to 0. And we're there. Zero. Huh? Oh, wait. Zero. Atkins fabrication and then some. Yeah, diligently. We gotta take it down to 0, 0. This is millimeters, right? We got this, that's how far we gotta go. That's the shaft across, and that's the depth. So we want to hit 0, and then we're at our depth. Get back to y'all in a minute.